If you're tired of scrubbing burnt grease out of your air fryer or wondering what's actually flaking off into your food, this might be the upgrade your kitchen needs. Most air fryers hide your food behind plastic and questionable coatings. But what if you could actually see your food cooking and never scrub it again? Today, we're looking at the Fritaire non-toxic air fryer, a 5-quart glass air fryer with 360 degrees visibility, self-cleaning technology, and zero BPA, Teflon, or PFAS. If you care about healthier cooking, easy cleanup, and actually knowing what's touching your food, this one is definitely interesting. Let's start with the design. The first thing you'll notice is the full glass bowl. Instead of the typical black plastic bucket, this uses thick, heat-resistant glass that lets you see your food from every angle. No more opening the basket and losing heat just to check if your fries are done. It feels solid, modern, and surprisingly premium for the size. The blacktop housing contains the heating system and controls, while the base keeps it stable on the counter. At 5 quarts, it's a sweet spot size, big enough for a small family meal, but not so large that it eats up your counter space. Build quality is honestly one of its biggest selling points. Since it's BPA-free and completely Teflon-free, you don't have to worry about scratch coatings over time. The glass feels durable, and the included rotisserie skewer and tumbling basket are sturdy and dishwasher safe. It doesn't feel flimsy like some budget models. Now let's talk performance. This air fryer uses a 400 degrees Fahrenheit vortex air system, which basically means hot air circulates quickly and evenly around your food. In real-world cooking, that translates to crispy fries, evenly roasted veggies, and juicy chicken without cold spots. The rotisserie function is actually a standout feature. You can roast a whole chicken and watch it turn while it cooks. The tumbling basket is perfect for wings or fries because it keeps everything moving for even crispiness without you shaking the basket every 5 minutes. Speed-wise, it's comparable to most mid-range air fryers. It preheats quickly and cooks frozen foods faster than a traditional oven. Noise level is moderate. You'll hear the fan running, but it's not obnoxious or disruptive. Definitely normal air fryer noise. Ease of use is beginner-friendly. The 9-in-1 preset functions cover air fry, bake, roast, broil, reheat, and dehydrate. You don't need to memorize temperatures. Just tap a preset and adjust if needed. The controls are straightforward, and the visibility makes it almost foolproof because you can see exactly how your food is progressing. Now here's the part most people care about: cleaning. This is marketed as the original self-cleaning air fryer. You literally add water and a little dish soap, press the clean function, and it circulates to loosen residue. No scrubbing stuck-on grease from a metal basket. That alone saves serious time, especially if you cook daily. Let's break down the pros and cons. Pros. The non-toxic glass build is a huge win for health-conscious families. The 360 degrees visibility makes cooking easier and more precise. The rotisserie and tumbling basket add versatility you don't usually get at this size. Self-cleaning is genuinely convenient, and it cooks evenly with great crisp results. Cons: glass, while durable, is heavier than traditional baskets. You want to handle it carefully. It's not the cheapest air fryer on the market, so budget shoppers might hesitate. And the glass bowl itself isn't dishwasher safe. Only the accessories are. Who is this best for? If you're a family, a health-conscious cook, or someone worried about non-stick coatings breaking down over time, this makes a lot of sense. It's also great for people who hate cleaning traditional air fryer baskets. If you're cooking for more than 5 people regularly, you might want something larger. And if you just want the absolute cheapest air fryer possible, there are lower-priced options, but they won't offer the same materials or visibility. Compared to other air fryers in this price range, most use coated metal baskets and don't include rotisserie functionality. Very few offer full glass construction or self-cleaning. That's where this one stands out. It's not just another rebranded air fryer. It actually solves common pain points. Final verdict? The Fritaire non-toxic air fryer delivers on what makes it unique: healthier materials, easy monitoring, and simplified cleaning. It's not perfect, but it's thoughtfully designed and genuinely useful. I'd rate it a strong 8.7 out of 10. It loses a few points for weight and price, but gains major points for safety and convenience. That if you're looking to upgrade your air fryer and want something safer and easier to live with long term, this is definitely worth checking out. I've linked it in the description below if you want current pricing or deals. And if this review helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest kitchen reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.